Good morning, students. Welcome to your e-learning class. This is your mathematics lecture. Today I am going to start chapter 11, that is geometry. And first of all, in geometry, students, we start with the point. And question arises here, what is point? Now students, point is a basic unit of geometry. It represents a location. It shows the exact location. Point shows the exact location. It is represented by a dot. It is represented by a dot, and it doesn't have length and breadth. Means it shows the exact location and it represented by a dot. ये एक डॉट से प्रेजेंट किया जाता है जिसमें लंबाई और चौड़ाई नहीं होती है. Now students, line has no end point. It can be extended in both directions. So measurement of line is not fixed, and this can be represented as, we can represent a line with a both side of arrow. Line has no end point. line में कोई भी end point नहीं होता है. ये दोनों तरफ से extend कर सकता है और इसी line को हम इस तरह से दोनों तरफ arrow देके represent करते हैं. arrow लगा के represent करते हैं like A and B, and it can be written as like A B. Symbolic representation of line is like this, AB. And we have three types of line. This is vertical line. This is your vertical line. This is your horizontal line. And this is oblique or slanting line. This is your slanting line. Now students, line segment. Line segment is a part of line, but it has a fixed length. It has two end point. लाइन सेगमेंट जो है वो लाइन का ही एक पार्ट है, लेकिन इसकी एक फिक्स लेंथ होती है. जैसा कि हमने लाइन में पढ़ा कि लाइन की फिक्स लेंथ नहीं होती, वो दोनों डायरेक्शन से एक्सटेंड करता है, लेकिन लाइन सेगमेंट के साथ ये बात नहीं है. पार्ट ऑफ लाइन है लेकिन इसके इट हैज टू फिक्स पॉइंट और इसके लेंथ हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. लाइन सेगमेंट के लेंथ मेजर कर सकते हैं. This is your line segment. It has two end points. We can measure the length of line segment, and it can be represented by symbolically is like this. AB, कोई भी closed figure, triangle, rectangle, square, हम जब बनाते हैं तो यहाँ पे लाइन सेगमेंट का ही यूज होता है. ऐसे में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, लाइन सेगमेंट का यूज करते हैं. लाइन सेगमेंट ही यूज में आता है. एंड नाउ रे इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइन, बट इट हैज वन एंड पॉइंट एंड अनदर पॉइंट इज एंडलेस. It can't be measured. Means ray is also a part of line, but it has one end point. एक end point होता है और एक point endless होता है. मतलब एक तरफ से ये extend करता है. This is your ray. If This is represented by A and B. Symbolically, this can be represented like this. Ray AB. And now students, closed and open figure. At first, open figure, a figure that has two end points. A figure that has two end points is your open figure. Like, look here, this figure has two end points, so this is your open figure. Closed figure, a closed figure begin at a point and end at the same point, and it can be crossed to each other. इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? क्लोज फिगर बोलेंगे. जैसे this one is a example of closed figure. This one is example of closed figure. जैसे किसी एक पॉइंट से ये स्टार्ट होते हुए और उसी पॉइंट पे आके जब वो एंड होता है, वहीं पे आके एंड होता है, तो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ क्लोज फिगर. ये एक दूसरे को कट भी कर सकता है. सिंपल क्लोज फिगर, अ क्लोज फिगर दैट डजंट क्रॉस इटसेल्फ. अ क्लोज फिगर दैट doesn't cross itself like this. This is example of simple closed figure. एक दूसरे को लूप से चेक न करे तो वो आपका simple closed figure कहलाता है. Now students, let's solve question based on geometry. Draw the following. A line ड्रॉ करने कह रहा है. As you know, for a line has endless. It can be extended from the both sides. ये दोनों तरफ से extend होता है. This is the point A, this point is A, and this is your B point, and this can be represented as line AB. And now ray is the part of line, but it can be extended from one point. It can be extended from one point, and its one point is fixed, but it can't be measured. Like x, y, ray, x, y, and line segment. Line segment is also a part of line, but it has two end points. Line segment has two end points and it has a fixed length. Imagine this point is x and this is your y. This can be represented as line segment. Line segment XY. Now students, this is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.